Have safe sex and less regrets. Why safe sex is needed. It prevents unintended pregnancies. It prevents the passing along of STIs. Safe sex helps to promote a sense of communication between both people that are involved in it. It creates a sense of stability in a relationship, and it helps both of you and your partners remain disease free. STI transmission is very high between college students due to lack of communication. How to have safe sex. Being aware of risks is important when deciding to have sex, especially on a college campus or at school. You should be aware and honest about your medical conditions with your partners. Have conversations about sexual behaviors and contraceptives. Be aware of most sufficient contraceptives and keeping up with them. Finding that it is better to use two sources of contraceptives rather than just one is very important. And always use condoms. If you're on birth control, still use condoms. Have pap tests, pelvic examinations, and STI testing done on a regular basis. Check your body and your partner's body for indications of sores, blisters, rashes, or discharge on a regular basis. Don't have sex if you're intoxicated or high. You could overlook the importance of using condoms. Do not touch after sex. Be smart about your partners and make sure you are aware of their medical histories, and scout out your college campus for resources and information if you don't know enough. There are many different kinds of contraceptives. Some are implants, which include IUDs, oral contraceptives, the most used one is the pill, injectables like Depo-Provera, and there are different vaginal contraceptives such as diaphragms and rings. And the most common one is male and female condoms. It is both people's responsibility to know the proper use of contraceptives. Only male condoms protect against STIs and sometimes female ones. Abstinence is the best way to avoid STIs and unintended pregnancies. Most teens and college students are more worried about getting pregnant rather than catching an STI when it comes to having unprotected sex. Preventing STIs needs to be more of a priority for this age group.